Okay, in this video we're going to be drawing up the detailed dimensions of the CF walls. So for that we're going to go to our working dimension. Let's see the working dimension and check the dimension if it's in column dimension. There you go, this is column dimension, and set current, take a change and then close it up. There you go, it's done. So I'm going to take the measurements. One is going to be from here to here, which is going to be inside. There you go, it's done. And right after that, one is going to be from here to here, which is also going to be inside. And right after that, we're going to take in a few dimensions that is going to be from here to the grid line right over there. There you go, it's one dimension. Now it's just going to be a continuous dimension from grid line to grid line, and right after that, the end of the column. There we go. There, that's it. Right after that, we're going to take another dimension again, and this time this dimension is going to be from this side, which is going to start from here to the grid line. There you go, and then it is going to be a continuous dimension from there to the end of the column. Sorry, with the column, the foundation, the combined foundation. There you go. This is the specified, the dimension, the detailing of the column, detailed dimension of that, detailed dimension of the foundation of the column. Sorry. Okay, right over here, we're going to take in the dimension once again. It is going to be from here to here, put it inside. Right after that, from here to here, put it inside. It's done. Right after that, from here to the grid line, there you go. Now it's going to be a continuous dimension from grid line to grid line. Right after that, to the end of the foundation. There you go. It's done. Now we're going to take another dimension here to the grid line, and then it's going to be a continuous dimension to the end of the foundation. There you go. It is done. So here we have detailed and placed all of the foundations of our project. Okay, now we just need to fix the name of the foundations inside here. So we're going to look at that in the next video. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you got to know something, and as always, thank you very much for watching.